Hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you a new mini game on Google that is a boba mini game, and I'm going to be teaching you how to get it. So first is we're installing it. Okay, now it's open. Now we just open the app Google. Yeah, see this boba mini game on top of your screen? Click on it. This one. Do you hear the music? Whoa! Let's make bubble tea. Tap and hold to fill the ingredients to the line. Okay. Okay, I guess bottle. Let's add in the straw and super changer. Okay, now I'm just gonna add in the beans. You can tap anywhere on the screen. And let's add in the oil. Shake, shake, shake. And then stick in. Wow, this bubble tea boba or pearl tea is so cool. Oh, I guess we're having best friends now. Yeah, I know the 2 straws. Oh, I guess we're here with a ghost friend now. Okay, let's get in one of the white ghost teas, pearl things. Okay, I guess let's add in the oil and conditioner. Yes! This is amazing. You can enjoy. Okay, well done. Okay, we can play the boba game again. Okay, let's add in the beans. Whoa, this boba is amazing. Okay, I guess let's add in this, and I guess we shake in the bubble tea, and let's add it in the straw for lime sheet. Let's make this bubble tea boba for my friend Froggy. So my friend Froggy is here to get one of my bobas. What a flavor is this? Anyways, I don't know how to cook. Okay, enjoy. Okay, it's you again. You want a new one? Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, let's add in everything very, very fast. And let's add in the 2 straws. Why does it have to be so close like that? Make sure you share. Okay, now let's add in this oil. And now let's shake the bottle. And there is a straw for everybody. What the hell is even this? Okay. Whoa, we even earned a lot of stuff. Okay, now we're typing in what are some cooking games you Okay, actually, now we can go and play this game again. Google, boba. Have a customer. Yeah, let's make bubble tea. Okay, I guess we're gonna add this, and then let's pour in that, and then let's add in the oil. And then let's put in the straw. And then there you Froggy. Okay, you want another boba? Yes, please. Okay, it will be done very, very quick for you. Just because you're my best friend. Thank you. Okay, this is plugging the straw. Whoa. You again? You came for another boba? Okay, yeah, sure. What the hell is this? Do you need a lot of pearls to share? Little pearls. Now let's add in the oil and the shake. Oh my god, why does it have to be so close? Okay, guess we're gonna move. Wow, we even earned a badge. Whoa, that was cool. Whoa, this is cool. Bubble tea game. I guess we can play some milkshake. Why tycoon people? How do you play bubble tea? Why is there a bubble tea game? What is a bubble tea game? Who made the Google? Okay, I feel like we can get this. Oh, I know this app. Maybe I don't want to do it. Okay. And now, let's move on to Duolingo Bird and get our streak on fire before it runs out. Okay? So let's do our Duolingo streak together. And now let's go to our guidebook. Do you know what Air's doing? Wait, one. I'm from Cuba. Pedro is Mexican. Maria is Mexican. Is the boy Cuban? The girl is Cuban. Adjectives. In Spanish, the endings of adjectives depend on the gender of what they describe. Americano, Americana. Whoa. This is my Unit 8 guidebook. On iPad, you don't need any foundations, but if you use your phone, you have some foundations. And if you want to go back to Unit 1, then you can look at your guidebook on what you have first started. So, but let's do this. This is definitely going to be a very, very, very good
Yo bebo agua.
Nah, I don't want to speak. Okay, by just spending 15 minutes a day on do. Okay. Oh, discuss. I can't.
Yo bebo agua.
Okay, how do I discuss? Is this... We're having a discuss with everybody. What did I do wrong? I was wrong, not right. What is this discuss on Duolingo? What is this? Okay, this is a weird discuss, but it's...
Yo como pan.
I eat
Como.
bread. Boy, niño. Okay, can't listen. Okay.
Ella es una niña.
She is a girl. She is a girl.
El hombre.
The man.
La manzana.
I guess the apple. And then the manzana.
Manzana.
And then where's apple? And then...
Hombre.
Niño.
Mujer.
La leche.
The milk. She. Okay. Okay, you can use your keyboard if you want to. You can prank people like this if you want to. Yo.
Come. Come.
No, where's the button? Do you eat bread?
Tú. Comes. Pan.
Oh, I
Hey.
forgot to put that.
Come. Mans.
Yes. We did it. Whoa. My streak can be on fire. Complete 3 lessons. Why I can't see Duolingo in all of my lessons? And you can go on your streak, and now I'm on streak 90 now because it's very, very on fire. And then we have our calendar. We can move to February, and let's go. And 9. Next streak milestone. Wow. It's cool. We can scroll where we're up to. Rapid review. It gives you a timer. You can even jump to different levels, but first you have to understand. And here's some practice that you can do with your mistakes. And you can look at your profile. You can claim your reward. You can look at Sage and be a wicked warrior. Do cutie girl. That's me if you play Duolingo. That's me. And